Well guys, today I'm going to show you a nice bit of equipment I got from Infraready, Andy Bailey. It is a doorway trigger alarm. Yeah, I will show you. Was that you? Was that me? So, if you'd like to come down here, basically here we go. There's a laser coming out. When you break the barrier, the alarm goes off. And if you go this side, you will see the red dot down there. So you see I'm breaking that and it's cutting off. So you can use this when you're out investigating, doing the paranormal, put it in doorways and leave it, maybe put a voice recorder there or a camera just to see what you're catching if it goes off. So it's only small, very compact, pull it in your kit bag and it's all good. Go get one.